I noticed that there is no unboxing on the YouTube for ematic, this brand, sports cam. So I ordered it, and now we are making the unboxing. First, we find the camera itself with the waterproof, if you consider it jacket or whatever. The weight is not bad. It's a little bit heavy, but it's not bad. It's nice, and the size is fine. Then we pull the rest of the stuff. That box is not sealed anyways. We'll find the cable, the catalog, the remote shutter. This for, I think, for the bike. This for the mount, the helmet with this. And those are stickers they stick, I think, for the skating board or something. And that's it. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed it.